Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset and reinstall your Windows Security application or Windows Defender, which it's formerly known as, on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Settings, Best Match, should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Apps, and then on the right side underneath Apps, you want to select Installed Apps, and then you want to search for Security in the Apps field up at the top. Select the three-dotted icon next to the corresponding Windows Security entry in here, and select Advanced Options. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down underneath Reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app setup won't be affected. So we're going to try repairing it first, and then you won't have to reinstall it. But if you're still having a problem, you can attempt the second option here. If the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. Once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And then hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu, type in Windows PowerShell. Best match, will come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. It starts with Get-AppxPackage. And then go up the top bar of the PowerShell window, right click on it, select Edit, and then paste it in. And just give it a moment here. It's basically a PowerShell command prompt to reset the Microsoft Security Suite. So if you were having issues with the app-based interface, this is more of the traditional one that you would be using. This probably has been around a little bit longer, actually. Once you have a blinking cursor at the end of that, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And then hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.